Good morning, guys. Welcome to our class, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. There was a time that AI was regarded as part of science fiction. Not anymore, it is real. Almost all of us are using artificial intelligence to a certain degree, knowingly or unknowingly. In the next few months, we are going to learn AI, and today, it is the lesson 1.
Okay, people, today's class is about Introduction to AI. First of all, if you want to learn artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Well, at the beginning, I don't want to go into too much technical terminology. Let's go to a simple definition that anybody can understand. Now, all of you know about computers. They perform tasks with somebody sitting in front of the screen and working on it. If you give pictures of apples and oranges to young ones, they can easily identify what are oranges and what are apples. But if you feed those pictures to a computer, can it identify them? That's when we need AI. Yes, artificial intelligence is about making machines mimicking human brains as much as possible.
Now, when you are working on a computer, suppose you have opened a Word document, you started typing, then you can see the what you have typed are shown on the screen. That's how computers work normally. Computer obeys whatever you put to it through keyboard. But if you say something to the computer, and the computer turns it into letters, that is something different. It is like artificial intelligence. Further to that, when you ask a question from the computer, and computer thinks for a while, and give you the answer, that is more like artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence combines computer science, maths, and also psychology. But don't worry, you don't have to be an expert in those subjects to learn artificial intelligence. Now let us talk about some of the terms we are going to discuss in this subject. Under the umbrella term of artificial intelligence, there is machine learning. It is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Then comes deep learning, which is a subfield of machine learning. And in deep learning, we are going to learn about discriminative AI, large language models, and generative AI. I know, don't worry, folks, too much technical terms. We are going to discuss about these terms in a very simple way in the future lessons. Alright folks, that's all for today. Bye for now.